Hey coders, welcome back to the channel. My name is Harish Kumar. First off, I want to say a huge thank you for the amazing response I have received for the Ctrl+Alt+Cheat VSCode extension. Your support means a lot to me. If you are new to Ctrl+Alt+Cheat, it's the ultimate VSCode extension that puts a massive collection of cheat sheets right at your fingertips. It has cheat sheets for various languages and frameworks such as PHP, JavaScript, Vue, React, Laravel, Docker, MySQL, Tailwind, Bootstrap, Python, and so much more. Be sure to check out our previous video to learn more about its core features. Today, I am excited to share some brand new features that has been added to the Ctrl+Alt+Cheat VSCode extension to make your coding experience even smoother and more efficient. So let's dive in. First up, we have added a Tailwind color shade generator. Here in this drop down, let's search for Tailwind. This is the tool Tailwind Shades Generator. Let's select this. This tool is incredibly useful for both designers and developers. With this tool, you can easily generate custom color shades for your Tailwind CSS configuration. To use it, simply paste a hex color code in this input field and click this generate button, and you will receive a range of color shades. Upon clicking on this view button, you can see this color shade configuration in this model. You can also see that it has automatically created this color name, which can be renamed. So to rename this, first let's close this, and here is the color scheme name. Now here to rename this, double click on this name. Now in this input field, type the name you want for this color schema. Let's say primary. Press enter to save this. Now let's click on this view button. It is updated here also. Now we can copy this color schema and use it in the Tailwind configuration file. For those new to Tailwind CSS, I would like to demonstrate how to use it in the Tailwind configuration. For this, I have already set up a Vue.js project with Tailwind installed. In this project, let's open the source app.vue. I will remove all these default code and next add a template tag. Inside this Vue component, I will create a div that covers the entire screen and display a text in the middle of the div. So here I will type create a full screen div and align h1 tag in the middle of the div using Tailwind. It has automatically generated this markup code. Let's accept this and remove this instruction, and let's change this text to Ctrl+Alt+Cheat. By the way, this code was generated by the SpecCoder AI. I have already created a dedicated video on SpecCoder VSCode extension. You can find the link to the video in the description. I will also recommend you to try the SpecCoder AI VSCode extension. Next, let's take a look at how it appears in the browser. So first in the terminal, here let's run the command npm run dev, and then let's open this URL in the browser. So copy this and go to the browser and open this. Here how it looks, just as we wanted. Now let's change its background color and its text color. So let's go to the editor. Here in this div, let's add the class bggray700 to change the background color. In this heading tag, let's add class textgray300 to change the color of this text. Now let's see how it looks in the browser. Great, it has updated the background color and the text color. These classes are part of Tailwind's predefined colors. However, if we want to use our own color schema in Tailwind, we can do that by modifying the Tailwind configuration file. To do this, we need to open the tailwind.config.js. In this configuration file, within this themes extend object, we can add our custom color schema configuration. So for that, let's open the Ctrl+Alt+Cheat panel. In the Tailwind Shade Generator tool, we have created this color scheme. Let's click this view button. Here we have our own custom color configuration. Let's copy this, and next in the Tailwind configuration.js file, in the themes extend object, here I will add a property colors, and this color is going to be the object. In this object we are going to paste our color schema like this. That's it, it's done. So here we have themes. In the themes we have extend object. In this extend object we extended the Tailwind colors, and we have added our own custom color schema. Next, in the app.view file, let's change this background color. So here we will add bg primary, let's say 600. This primary is the color schema name in the Tailwind configuration, this one. Next, let's change the color of this text. So let's say text primary 300. It's done. Next, let's check this in the browser. Here we go. The colors are updated. Great. It is that simple. This Tailwind Color Shade Generator tool is designed to help you effortlessly create impressive color schemas. It is perfect for creating a consistent and beautiful color palette for your projects, saving you tons of time in the process. You can create any number of color schemas. There is no limit. Let's close all these. Now let's see our next cheat sheet. Next we have added a new Linux cheat sheet. So here in the drop down, let's search for Linux. Here is the Linux cheat sheet. Let's select this. This cheat sheet is perfect for developers working with Linux environment. Whether you are configuring a server, managing network settings, or just brushing up on commands. Now you have all the essential Linux commands right at your fingertips. For example, here we have commands for file permissions and groups. Here is the command list for creating directory, copy or remove. Similarly, let's search for the command to identify the disk usage. So here I will search for disk, and this is the list of commands it has found. We are looking for this disk usage. This command will summarize the usage of disk or files recursively. For example, if I run this command, it will show output like this. This cheat sheet will be your go-to reference for commands, file management, user management and more. It's packed with essential information to help you navigate the Linux environment with ease. Next, to enhance your experience even further, we have introduced new keyboard shortcuts. Now with simple press of Ctrl// or Command/ for Mac user, you can instantly focus on the search input field. And need to switch cheat sheets quickly, just press Ctrl+Alt// or Command+Alt// for Mac user, and the cheat sheet drop down is focused. Here we can search for other cheat sheets, like let's say chmod. Here it has filtered the chmod cheat sheets, or maybe Tailwind Shade Generator. Shortcuts will help you speed up your workflow and help you find the information you need faster. That's it for this update. I hope these new features make Ctrl+Alt+Cheat VSCode extension even more useful in your daily coding routine. If you haven't already, make sure to update your extension to access these new features. And if you are new to Ctrl+Alt+Cheat VSCode extension, don't forget to check out my previous video where I have talked about its feature in detail. If you have any feedback or suggestions, share with us. We would love to hear from you. We are committed to continuously enhancing Ctrl+Alt+Cheat based on your feedback. And stay tuned for more updates. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow developers. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.